Premium tools and services to consider. Here is a list of some of the best online tools to use with your Amazon affiliate website. The Amazon Seller App. The official Amazon app for mobile platforms is here to make your life easier by allowing you to manage your business on the go and from just about anywhere. With this app, you can easily fulfill orders, find new products to sell, manage offers and inventory, and keep in touch with your customers 24/7. FBA Revenue Calculator. The FBA Revenue Calculator is great whenever you need to crunch your numbers. As you've seen so far, finding out how much revenue you can make on specific products is not easy because of the many factors to consider, such as fulfillment and packing costs. The FBA calculator is available to FBA sellers, so they can calculate their revenue, their costs, their seller proceeds, and their net profits. Repricer Express. Repricer Express is a tool for Amazon sellers that want to keep a competitive edge by automating their listing prices. This tool scans the marketplace to compare prices on items similar to the ones listed by Amazon sellers. Repricer Express then goes to price fluctuation history in the marketplace and automatically adjusts the price of listings to give its users the top spot on marketplace results. Feedback Express. Feedback Express is another tool that automates another hot topic among Amazon sellers: feedback. Seasoned Amazon sellers know very well that getting the correct rating on Amazon can be a tricky task, especially because customers tend to forget about a purchase after receiving their items. Feedback Express automates this process by getting in touch with customers to ask them in a very effective yet subtle way to leave feedback for their recent purchases. It doesn't get any easier than this. Tax Jar. You'll be surprised to learn that a whopping number of Amazon vendors don't think about how taxes weigh in when it comes to their finances until they are discounted from their revenue. TaxJar is a tool that will help merchants easily save hours and eliminate sales tax headaches by allowing them to finish their sales tax forms in minutes and use the auto-file system to never miss a due date, among other benefits. Ali Inspector. A lot of Amazon vendors use the AliExpress Marketplace and Alibaba.com to find deals to sell in bulk in the Amazon Marketplace. Yet it can prove daunting to do this the traditional way, with buyers scrolling and searching among the many providers, looking for the best bang for the buck. Ali Inspector takes care of this by analyzing the best sellers in the Chinese marketplace, generating niche keywords, and uncovering the potential for top-performing dropshipping products automatically. Helium 10. Helium 10 is a tool that will fully automate your Amazon Marketplace tasks. It will allow you to do hours of repetitive tasking in mere seconds thanks to its powerful software engine. It will watch your competition to show you which keywords they are ranking for the same products that you sell. It will help you find profitable products and determine which keywords not to use. It comes bundled with trend analyzing tools, keyword research tools, a misspelling extractor, keyword processor, listing optimization tool, and more.